So this is the Yard Master Floodlight holder. And this was about 10 bucks on Amazon. So let's take a look at it. Okay, here we are. Let's open this. See what we got. We got a base. And then we got the light itself. See it? That's it. And then you got a spike. So I think the spike goes in the bottom here. You just kind of go like this. You can also screw it on a wall. Just like that. Bam, done. This baby here has got a bunch of junk in it. I guess there's some instructions. There's where your light goes. You see? And this is your little screw thing that you need. Because you're going to put it right on here. It's going to go on like that. And then you just screw it in there. See the two sides that have the teeth on them? Just got to put it together like that. And then this just goes through. It's got a wing nut on it. So let's set that there. Let's get our wing nut. If I can get it out of here. Wing nut. All right, there we go. Come on out. Got it. So you got to take the wing nut off. And undo it, because this is the fastest way. All right, so there's your two pieces. And you're going to see there's a little like square there. So this, you can see it's square on the bottom, has to go in like that. So then you need to hold it, right? Don't lose your wing nut, because you're going to need that. And then this, you're going to put down teeth side down, so the teeth meet. You want the teeth to meet. Teeth meet, right like that. And then all we got to do is get our wing nut on there, right here. You don't have to make it super tight, because you may adjust it. But we'll give it put it in there. And there we go. That's ready to go, just like that. And you stick it in. We gotta take these off. All this stuff is made in China. It's crazy. I don't know how much line we got, but we'll see. So this has about 6 feet. So you got about 6 feet. Put her in, stick your bulb in, and bam, you're ready to go. That's it. So I'm gonna do that. It did give you a couple screws in case you wanted to mount this on a wall somewhere, which you could do. All right, let's take a look at these. I think they're just basic outside LEDs. Nope, no, they're just, yeah, are they LEDs? Yeah, they are LEDs. So these are LEDs, and that's what we want. And we're just gonna put it right in there and hook it together. Okay, so it's a pretty simple procedure. There's your threads. Here's your threads. Put it in, and we're going to twist her. You got to give it a little pressure. You'll notice that this watertight part is coming on it, and right here, this is what keeps the water from flowing in there and electrocuting yourself. So you want to get it on there pretty good. And now we're ready to just go ahead and stick it in the ground and see how she works. All right, you ready? Here we go. Okay, so anyway, we're just going to go ahead and plug her in here. And this is just for a test. This is not how we're going to leave it. I'm going to get all the dirt out of there. Let's see. Okay, we'll just put that there. And see how it works. So anyway, we got the light here. I might push it in a little bit more. I want to get it angled up on this big old thing here. All right, we'll try that, see what happens. And as you can see, our spotlight is working almost perfectly. Very good job. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.